stomach hurts, and now we're going for trick-or-treating.
So let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys. Take off this. Right now, please.
What's that?
Malamig.
Wala nang inom.
Mag-picture kayo nga lahat. Can you stay all here? Ilagay mo na rin si Bula. Pati siya, dito.
Sila rin sa ano.
Hello, how are you?
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween, guys!
Oh, pwede na.
And don't let me say bye, guys, every single time.
Come on now, let's go.
Let's go. Mostly all of my classes. But at least I won the championship. Yeah. You see how no one's going to
Hi, guys! Hi! Baba!
Baba na para na.
Baba! Bakit baba? Ito daw po yung ano niya. Ay, so nice! Ganda oh! Oh, wow! Wow, ang ganda! Ah, let's go!
Hindi naman. Malamig. Malamig nga eh.
Okay, let's go now. Sige, sige. It's okay na, Kong, ne? It's okay. Trick or treat! Go, Baba!
Baba, sige na ah.
Go, Baba, go! Kala? Kala, Lara? Ah? Nalata?
These are like the best.
Apa, Baba?
It's not the best, but I like the best.
Wala, tani wala yung kinda. Borowicz? Ah? Ano? Ellie. Ellie.
I think my bag is full already.
Yeah, put it in the bag, Nana. Put it in the bag. Okay.
Masyado mo amin yung bato.
Mahirap dyan kasi aray taktakayan. Ah, mataktakayan ira dyan.
Careful ah, baka mahulog kayo ah.
What did she give me?
It's called Baba.
Say thank you, Ellie.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bali-bali po po na. Hi guys, come watching ah. It's my first trick or treating. It's my first trick and treating. Come on. Let's go, Blue Jays! Ano mo ta? Kasumbrira pa ni.
Let's go, Blue Jays!
What even is this?
Wow, maalat.
Hello! Look at that!
Ha?
You're the luckiest person. Oh yeah, I already got one. Help.
Thank you. Did you say thank you? Bang, salamat ta. Thank you. Last na. Wala na kayo. Uy, ang ganda ng nakuha ni Francis. Thank you. Bye.
I need to put these Humpty Dumpty snacks.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Okay, you go with Baba. Go with
I'm
Baba.
trying to shut this in. And here, peanut butter. I'm allergic to it.
Video.
Let's go.
May?
Bayar ko yung eruan na may matirang plastic.
Ay, akin mo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow! Okay, purihin na, anak. Purihin na. Wow, hindi natawa si Atsi ito. Paano na po lagi na?
Supas.
Tutupas kayo. Where you got? Okay, go down na.
So I got a lollipop and another Aerial chocolate. I'm gonna give this one to Ellie.
Hindi ka nag-gift it.
Oh, Filipino? Oh. Okay, wait lang, anak. It's in there. Come here. Over here. What you got, Lishrak?
So I just got 3 more.
Huh?
I got this one.
Oh, wow. What you
If I
got?
eat this, it'll sound my big
Empty?
Dapat zero ilagay mo dito.
What you got, Madam Baba? A candy? Baba Ellie. Basta sa ka mo. Okay, let's go. Tapos makadagal tayo. Go. Go. Bali-bali ay ni. Yan naman na mapuno. Enggak pa wali. Enggak pa akalit ko Blue Jays kanta. Gapo? Enggak pa? Gapo? Apoy? Wili.
Come and find me.
Enggak pa, nasip dance.
Ganong nga pilo.
Thank you. And have a happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Okay, baba na. Let's go Blue Jays.
So I got
Okay, Baba, come here,
And I
Baba.
also got this.
Okay. How about Baba?
And this.
Oh, wow.
Even this.
Which one?
And even I got this.
Oh, wow. Uy, manlululipap ka. Saan pa?
So I got Lay's chips and Sour Patch.
May dimang kuman. Ay, wate. Basta wala rin display. Rara yan. Amtan, dimang.
Wait, is that my friend? Is that my friend?
Tag na yuratan ka ni wala rin luganan. Ni jay tawali silo.
Masarap, kalau halatado lang nakakot tawag.
Basic lang.
Thank you. Ayun, sa kabila.
Diyan pa, meron.
Basta careful sa sasakyan. Sasakyan, ha? Sa sasakyan. Okay.
So, I got this.
Okay, go there na,
and-
Maxine. Okay, go na ko. Go to daddy. Maxine, eh? Okay na, Edna. Wala jara, ikin pa tayo. Ah,
Iba doon, no? May patubig ata doon.
dapat may soft drinks. Check daw.
I smell food. No, the stroller. I don't like pizza.
What did you get, ano?
So, I got
Okay, careful, ne?
these.
Careful.
I
Okay.
got this one in
Ah,
class.
okay. Okay, go down now. Hi, madam. Na may sasakyan. Okay, go, Ili. Okay, diba na? Batik-batik, mawara ako. Good day, take picture. Mag-picture kayo. Uy, Baba, where are you going? Part 1, part 2 yung munching. Part 1, part 2. Wala ni, walang kalansay. Oh. Eh? Ayan.
Rainbow Twizzlers.
Dito na nga po. Baka wala kasi naka...
Gummy bears and another lollipop.
Oh, wow.
I hope it's real.
Okay, go. Di Fernan, ay, dapat tawag Yura.
Basta, ayun.
Basta gawayo ka mo. Where you got the truck?
A lot of pieces cut, so it's basically
There's no soft drinks.
no for.
Diba?
Alam mo ko no?
Okay, I will.
Uy, ang kapiluganan, Leia. Ay, ba't yan? Paano natalapos ka? Paano natalapos ka? Ang gawin na nagnago. What you got, guys?
Hi guys, so this is literally my first time tasting this
Which one?
candy in Canada because this is literally way back from Philippines. I used to get this when I was a child in 7-Eleven and way back home.
Same, so true.
I know, like
hot dog.
yeah.
You get hot dog?
I usually got the hamburger.
Uy, batik-batik, wala krabi.
Wow, did they get webbed up? Did they get webbed up?
Halloween! Inarlay? Dapat amit di man, diretso. Dapat likuan dito na mo eh.
Wala na bang lilikuan dyan, sir?
Ednam liya baka lang batik. Kano magsinan?
Wala may harap na.
Ednam pa yung 5 tumaman. Ano ba? Bematan. Come on, Maxen. What you got? Candies? Oh, yeah. How about Baste? What you got, Baste? Look at that princess girl. Basta wala silaw kang kunsika. Basta wala silaw. Kano magsanay? Come on, anak. Treat. Trick or treat.
Hindi pa kayo lalabas ka mo. Hindi, nagbibidyo. Sisira mo pera ng video.
Sayang ang ano, $5.
Saan dyan?
Oo, dyan. Madami na dyan. Dito na yata yung ano, paliko. Eh? Nanti, dito.
Yan daw, diretso.
Ate gagaga. Maxim. Ate gaga.
So, I don't know how much houses we've gone to already. Mom, how much houses have we gone to already?
Oh, I don't know, Lux. Hi, Baba. Happy Halloween. Pagod na si Francis. Hi. Oo nga. Hindi rin namin